I thought it would be good for you to kind of have a sense of the different types of fog. And some of these fog, you're like, oh yeah, we get that fog. Or you'd be like, no, no, we don't get that fog. But fog like clouds are basically water vapor that now you can see because it's a liquid. So water has condensed to become a liquid. Fog sometimes are just basically, I've heard them described as cloud at ground level. And that's kind of what they are. So in order to get a fog, you need water to condense, and so you need to either lower the temperature or you need to increase the water vapor in order to get reach 100% relative humidity. So the first sort of fog is actually, I kind of tease, it's the fog when kids go to sleep at night. They hope they wake up in the morning and they don't have school, or a school delay. I guess it should just be delay. It's radiation fog. And the radiation fog will occur if you have nice clear skies, because basically the earth is going to cool off. And I think we're going to, if this is my earth's surface, basically it radiates away its heat. Okay, and as it radiates away its heat, it basically becomes cool enough in order for condensation to happen at the earth's surface, and that's radiation fog. Advection fog, don't think I've seen necessarily much of this, but advection, by the way, in case I don't mention it, is a chunk of air, not rising, but a chunk of air relocating horizontally from position A to position B. That's what we call advecting. So advection fog then counts on a chunk of air basically kind of rolling in, moving horizontally. So, for instance, if you have kind of a difference in temperatures and moisture around coastal areas, you can get this advection fog to form. Upslope fog is kind of like orographic lifting. Basically, you get a chunk of air that goes up a mountain, okay? And as it rises, it expands and cools. So that's upslope fog. And then evaporation fog is kind of cool. I know I oftentimes cross the Skunk River on my way to work, and I will see this sort of fog formed on the Skunk River. And what's happened basically is the river is warm because it picked up heat during the day before, and so it kind of has this sort of localized high humidity in the vicinity of the river because of evaporation. And then you figure the night it cooled down, okay? And then basically we have this high humidity and cool temperatures, and it gives us this what's called evaporation fog.